COVID infections are making a comeback just as millions of Americans start traveling for the Memorial Day weekend. A new study from UC San Francisco says if you'll be flying this weekend, the chances of having someone with COVID on your flight greater than 99%. ABC 10 News reporter Sofia Hernandez joins us live from the airport. Sofia, health experts say this is a concern. I mean, especially there's no more mask mandate on planes.
Yeah, Virginia, that's exactly right. The chair of the Department of Medicine says that if you're on a flight with about 150 people, there's a 99.99% chance that at least one person has COVID in the aircraft, and they're probably most likely displaying asymptomatic symptoms.
I think that when you, though, look at the number of people in the terminal, and that's who you're actually exposed to as you're milling around, getting on the plane and picking up your bags and checking in checking in at the desk, there's a very high chance that you're going to run into somebody who's infected.
Now, UC San Diego professor Robert Schooley, who you just heard there, just came back from an international flight, and he says not many people wore their mask. He says while he believes the highest rates of infection are among students and hospitals, there is a large amount of the virus circulating right now in our community. He noted recent wastewater studies showing that as much virus in Point Lomo's wastewater right now compares to the peak of the Delta epidemic. Now, commercial planes, they do have advanced air filtration systems that pose less of a risk. However, the recent screening at UCSF found that 6.2% of people coming into their hospitals had asymptomatic infections. That is 1 in 16 people. So the concerns here at the airport is that the people who are infected with COVID are displaying those asymptomatic symptoms. And Virginia, as you mentioned earlier, right now aircrafts are not regulating and requiring that you wear masks. However, health experts recommend that you still wear one. Reporting live, Sofia Hernandez, ABC 10 News.
Thank you, Sofia. And I have noticed that a lot of people take it upon themselves to